Move your hairs out.
Ready?
I'm scared. What are we supposed to do? You fucking bitch. What?
Brianna's face. Is your face okay?
What happened? What happened?
She took a face plant.
Wait, why?
Because you didn't hold yourself up. Lay down again.
Oh god. So we do it again. You have to roll, Alex. Roll. You are. Let Bree start out on the bottom.
You I didn't know. I'm sorry. I'm scared. What do you do?
Like that.
Just like push your arms down.